Oh, all the money that I ever had, I spend it in a good company. And all the harm that ever I have done, alas, it was to none but me. And all I've done for want of wit, to memory now I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. All the comrades ever I had, they're sorry for my going away. And all the sweethearts ever I had, that wish me one more day to stay. But since it falls unto me lot that I should rise and you should not, I gently rise and softly call, good night and joy be with you all. To spend and the leisure time to set a while. There is a fair maid in this town, for surely has my heart beguiled. Her rosy cheeks and her herbal lips, I own she has my heart enthralled. And filled to me the parting glass, good night and joy be with you all. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you.